All right, let's talk about regular pool maintenance. The first and foremost is the water level. So right now you see the water level is actually a little low. You can tell that a couple ways. You can see a little bit of lightness on the wall, and so the water level is a little lower where it normally would be. Generally speaking, we want the water level at or above this screw right here. So obviously, in order to remedy that, we're going to put the pool hose, or the water hose in at the stairs. The most important thing about doing that, obviously turning it on, is it takes a while to raise the water level, and it is easy to forget that you've left the hose on. So use a timer on your phone. I generally do it for an hour at a time, so that it reminds you to go check it. It's easy to forget about that. All right, if you come over here, we'll cover two other things. This is more on a weekly basis, or as you clean it. So pulling off the skimmer cover and pulling out, now you see here we have a sock here, lots of flies and whatnot. You can clean this, or I have additional socks. You can just throw this in the garbage and put a new sock over this and put it back down. That's generally when you're cleaning it. So that covers kind of regular maintenance, and in the next video we'll talk about operating the pool slide. How's that?